Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change doors and House Designer Fix and Flip. First, let's tackle door removal. To begin, navigate to the Build menu, which is usually found at the bottom of your screen. From there, select the Doors category. Simply click on any door you wish to remove, and it will become highlighted. A prompt will then appear, asking you to confirm its removal. Once confirmed, the doorway will be clear, ready for a new installation. Now that your old door is gone, it's time to pick a new one. The game offers a wide variety of door styles, from classic interior doors to robust exterior options and space-saving sliding doors. Take a moment to consider the room's overall design and how the door will function. Once you've made your selection, simply drag and drop the door into the empty doorway. You can then easily adjust its orientation and decide which way it swings open, ensuring a perfect fit. Beyond just placing a door, you can truly make it your own through customization. You have the freedom to apply various paint colors and textures, ensuring the door perfectly complements your interior design. Don't forget to explore upgrading the door's material for better insulation or a more luxurious look. You can also add decorative elements such as stylish door handles, elegant knockers, or intricate trim. For a modern touch, consider incorporating smart home features to boost both functionality and property value. For those looking to take their designs to the next level, there are some advanced techniques to consider. Always utilize the in-game measurement tool to ensure precise door placement, avoiding any misalignments. Don't shy away from experimenting with double doors. They can create grand entrances or accommodate wider openings beautifully. You can even create custom archways or unique openings for truly distinctive architectural features. Remember, thoughtful door choices are not just about aesthetics. They significantly impact your property's overall value and its appeal to potential buyers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.